Once you decide that money is already on its way to you, it begins to arrive. Have you ever noticed certain people carry something different, a quiet certainty, an ease around wealth, as if they simply know it will always come? Not arrogance, not luck, just a settled inner knowing that money, prosperity, and abundance are their natural state. That knowing is not a personality trait. It is a decision. And once you understand that, everything in your financial life begins to shift. This is the heart of the law of attraction, what we believe we receive. It sounds simple. It is simple. You are not separate from the creative force of this universe. You are an expression of it. The same energy that fills the oceans, that lights the stars, that grows a single seed into a forest, moves through you right now, quietly, patiently, waiting for your permission to create wealth, ease, and overflow in your life. Welcome back to Tranquility Insights. Before we go any further, if you are watching this from the United States, go ahead and press that high up button right now. It genuinely helps this message reach more people who need to hear it today. And if you are watching from anywhere else in the world, from any other country, I want you to write your name in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love seeing exactly how far this energy of abundance travels. While you are down there, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who could use a little more prosperity in their life, and subscribe to Tranquility Insights so this kind of message keeps finding you exactly when you need it. Today we are exploring one of the deepest truths about attracting money and abundance. The moment everything changes is not when the money arrives in your account. It is the moment you decide, deep inside, that it already has. There is a truth beneath the entire manifesting universe. Whether it is a new job opportunity, a raise you have been quietly hoping for, a debt finally dissolving, a business finding its rhythm, or unexpected income finding its way into your life from a direction you never expected, everything changes the instant you make one decision. Money is already working in your favor. Prosperity is already working in your favor. Abundance is already working in your favor. Not someday, not after the check clears. Right now, in this very moment. Not after the job offer comes through. Not after the numbers in your bank account change. Not after the proof shows up. Before the proof. That is the decision. That is where real manifestation begins, in the space before the evidence exists. I know some of you watching are carrying real financial strain right now. I see that, and I honor how hard you have been working to hold things together. I am not asking you to pretend the strain is not there. I am asking you to stop reliving yesterday's scarcity, the missed opportunity, the financial mistake, the fear from last month, the bill that came in higher than expected, and instead, gently, let it go. Forgive yourself for every dollar spent in fear. Forgive every decision you made from a place of lack, because you were doing the best you could with what you knew at the time. Let it settle. And meet this moment, just this one, with a brand new decision about money. You can decide right now that money moves toward you with ease. You can decide that the opportunity you have been quietly waiting for is already in motion, already finding its way to you, even now while you are watching this. You can decide that whatever financial worry you are facing today, whether it is a debt, a slow season in business, or a job that feels uncertain, is only a detour, not a destination on the way to genuine wealth, security, and ease. You can decide that new streams of income are opening up for you, streams you have not even discovered yet. You can decide that the raise, the client, the sale, the refund, the unexpected gift of money is already on its way to you. Every act of abundance begins with an inner decision first. Your financial reality is quietly filling with possibility right now, more than you can see from where you are standing today. Money is not something you chase. Money is something you align with. Wayne Dyer once said that when we change the way we look at things, the things we look at change. I believe that is because the universe does not respond to what we beg for. It responds to who we have quietly become. A person who feels wealthy on the inside will always find their way back to wealth on the outside, no matter how many times life tries to test that belief. So let us walk through 3 steps that will help you align fully with money, prosperity, and abundance, starting today. Step 1. Decide first before the evidence. Make the decision before anything in the physical world confirms it. This is the part most people get backwards. They wait to feel abundant until the money shows up. But it works the other way. Say this out loud, slowly, and mean it with your whole body. I have decided that money, prosperity, and abundance are already working in my favor. Do not argue with it. Do not audit it against your current bank balance. Do not let your bank statement talk you out of your own decision. Just let the decision settle in, like a seed being planted in soil that has already been prepared. Step 2. Borrow the feeling from your future. Most of us spend our days replaying old financial fears, a bad month, a missed payment, an old story about never having enough, a childhood memory of watching our parents stress over bills. Instead, I want you to borrow a feeling from 6 months ahead. Close your eyes for a moment if you can, or simply soften your gaze. Picture yourself exactly 6 months from today. The bills are paid with ease, almost effortlessly. There is a comfortable, steady cushion in your bank account, money you can actually rely on. An opportunity you could not have predicted. A new client, a new position, a new stream of income has shown up and quietly changed the direction of your life. You feel calm around money, maybe for the first time in a long while. You check your account without that familiar knot in your stomach. You open bills without flinching. You feel, for the first time in a long time, that you have enough and more than enough. Notice how that version of you feels. Not 6 months ago, 6 months ahead. Borrow that feeling now, and let it settle into your body today, right where you are sitting or standing. You are not pretending. You are simply becoming, a little early, the person you are already on your way to being. That future version of you, the one with the calm bank account and the steady income, already exists on some level. You are just stepping into rhythm with them. Energy always moves in the direction of your vibration. If your inner state points toward ease, sufficiency, and worthiness, that is exactly what your outer financial life begins to reflect back to you. This is not wishful thinking. This is how energy has always worked, long before any of us gave it a name. Step 3. Move through your day as if money is already rearranging itself in your favor. When worry about money surfaces today, and it may, because old patterns do not disappear overnight, pause and ask yourself one simple question. If I truly believed money was already working in my favor, what would I think right now? If I truly believed abundance was on its way to me, how would I carry myself through this day? You would believe you have the ability to draw the resources you need, exactly when you need them. You would know it quietly and completely, and you would move through your day, your conversations, your decisions, as someone who already knows it to be true. You would stop apologizing for wanting more. You would stop feeling guilty for desiring financial ease. You would recognize that wanting abundance is not greed. It is simply your natural state trying to return to you. If this message is landing for you right now, type the word abundant in the comments below. Type it in full. Let us fill this space together with that exact energy. And if you feel called to, add the word prosperity right beside it. Smile as you type it. Smile like it has already happened. Smile at your bank app the next time you open it. Smile at the mail before you even open the envelope. Smile because your relationship with money has already begun to change, quietly, starting today. There is one more practice I want to leave you with, and it is simple: gratitude for the money that is already flowing, even in small amounts. Most of us wait to feel grateful until the big number arrives, the bonus, the windfall, the life-changing sale. But gratitude works in reverse. Thank the universe for the bill you were able to pay this month. Thank it for the meal on your table, the roof over your head, the small unexpected refund, the $5 you found in an old jacket pocket. Every time you notice money moving through your life, however small, and you feel genuine gratitude for it, you are telling the universe, more of this, please. You are widening the channel through which abundance can reach you. Scarcity narrows that channel. Gratitude opens it wide. So today, notice the money already flowing to you. Notice the ways you are already provided for. Notice the small proofs they are there even now, even before the bigger ones arrive. And quietly say thank you for what is here and for what is on its way. Little by little, your outer circumstances will catch up to your inner decision. This is not luck. This has never been luck. It is alignment, your inner world settling into agreement with the financial life you are building, sometimes without even realizing it is happening. Your outer reality is simply a reflection of your inner one. Change the inner conversation about money, and the outer numbers eventually follow. It always begins with one decision. Decide that money is working in your favor. Decide that prosperity is working in your favor. Decide that abundance, in every form it can take, income, opportunity, gifts, growth, ease, is moving quietly and steadily in your direction, even on the days it does not look like it yet. Trust yourself. The resources you need are not somewhere far away, out of reach, reserved for other people. They are already in motion, already being arranged, already finding the path back to you. The door to abundance is not closed. It was never closed. It is already open, right now, right where you are. Decide it, and watch what quietly begins to change. Like this video, if it meant something to you, share it with someone who needs a little more money, prosperity, or abundance in their life today, and subscribe to Tranquility Insights so this energy keeps finding you, right on time, every time. Wishing you ease, wishing you overflow, and wishing you abundance, today and always. This has been Tranquility Insights.